Hi friends, I'm Srimor. This is another session of harmful effects of drugs and alcohol. And you already know there are what are the harmful effects. You're well aware of it. Actually, I'm a mental health counselor. I've been counseling the drug addicts and alcoholics since past 2 years. So, my intention is only to help you out because I have seen many patients struggling out of addiction, severe addiction. They have uh, lost their memory, lost their career, lost their work life, lost their family, lost everything out of addiction. Think about it. Think about what they have lost. Think about the situation. Think about the problems they have made in our life, in their own life, because of addiction. A person is getting addicted not in a minute, not just in a fraction of second, but once he uses, once a person start sipping alcohol, gradually he'll get addicted to it. That is what happening. The same way, once a person gets dependent to the drug, he cannot stop. Even if he wants to stop, he cannot stop, because that much is the drug dependency, that much is the effects of the chemical which is there in the um, in every drug, that is cocaine, hashish, heroin, morphine, meth, all this magic mushroom, all these are different varieties of drugs which the college guys are using it mostly. College guys, college going, school goings, in fact school going children are also using. I came to know through counseling that school going kids are using drugs, and they're getting severely addicted, and they are losing their marks, they are losing interest in everything, they are losing interest in their day-to-day activities, they are losing their life, precious life. Think what is more important in your life. What is more important actually, drugs or family, drugs or your career? Think about what is more important. You have to seriously think about it, my dear friends, because I've experienced a very bad situation in my life. One of my friend passed away when I was in my college. One of my close friends passed away. He had a severe addiction problem. He was a drug addict, and we didn't know. After college, we never met after college, because we friends like that only, right? After college, we'll start forgetting our friends. We don't even call. But suddenly I got a call from one of my friend that he is gone. So I got severely hurt, because he was such a nice guy and we didn't know. See how it is happening means it's because of the peer pressure. It's because of the people around him, the surroundings, the environment. So what we can do is to make the people aware. Make the people aware of what's happening around the whole world. What's happening around our country. We cannot stop it. We cannot wipe out drugs, but we can advocate. We can preach. We can counsel. We can help. That's what I am doing. I was also, first they will, in a treatment center, first they will detoxify. What is detoxification actually? Detoxification is taking out the toxins, because alcohol is a toxin, drug is a toxin. All these things need to be out from our body, right? So they are detoxifying. They are giving the medicines. Then counseling. After 6 months of counseling, only some patients are getting cured. Some patients are getting relapsed too. After relapse means it's a term that means after getting the treatment, they'll go out and they will meet some of the friends, they'll get tempted again, and they'll start using again. Then again they'll get affected. After taking the treatment, if you use again, there are chances of getting severe problems. There are chances of getting many problems. Many problems: heart failure, sudden deaths, liver problem. So I humbly request you not to take any kind of drugs which is illegal, which is not legalized. Legal drugs we are using for fever, for cough and all this. Now in corona time, we are not even getting any fever, you know. You understood? You have any idea? We are not getting any fever. We are not getting any cough. We are not getting any problems. We are not going to medical shops, right? Because all have a fear. Think about those times when we went to the shops and bought the medicine. Why? That time this corona was not there. That time people were not having any fear to go out. Just like that, they were buying medicines for the fever, buying medicine for cough, everything. Now everybody is inside the home just because they fear. That is all I want to tell, because resistance power is there inside our body. The only thing we have to do is that we do not have to panic in this situation. Don't be panic. Don't take all kinds of drugs. We know what are the natural things we have to do. Do it properly. Natural things, like this turmeric, ginger, all these things include in your food, and avoid all kinds of drugs. And I humbly request my people out there not to continue your addiction, not to continue your life with addiction, but you have to overcome addiction. If it's severe, go to a treatment center. If it's in the beginning stage, wipe out completely, just simply like that, through counseling. Through a proper counseling, you can completely take the negative sides. When you get the awareness, only you come to know the problem. When you get awareness, only you come to know the problem, come to know about what's happening with you. Otherwise, you will never know, never ever. Because your brain, it's having a what is in the. We'll get a feelings of pleasure when you take drugs, right? Feelings of pleasure, because it is having a special a chemical which is named as a chemical which is very high chemical. And this chemical, they cause large amounts of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate our emotions, motivations and feelings of pleasure. Why are you taking all these chemicals, guys? Please don't do it to your body. You will lose everything. Ultimately, you will lose your life. So it's just because I care for you. That's why I'm here. I care for everyone, not just for. I am not talking to you for nothing personal. Nothing personal, but everything. I need you people come out of this hell like life and lead a happy life without addiction, without drugs, without alcohol. Live happily, live your life, enjoy your life, lead a normal, healthy life. Do exercise regularly, go for a walk, go out, hang out with your people, with your partner, enjoy music, play with kids, read books, listen to music, do gardening, do your favorite, which is a favorite, do it in your free time. That's what you have to do. Don't spoil your life, your career, your family, your marital life, everything. Don't spoil out of addiction. This is my humble request. This is my suggestion. You can either take it or you can reject it. Okay? Thank you guys. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Bye. See you guys.